Hello dear students, welcome to Swayam MOOC courses in geography. We are offering a course in elements of geomorphology under physical geography part 1. So, it is a 4 credit course. The duration of the course is 8 weeks. This course is designed to provide students a broad overview of geomorphology. Physical geography may be defined as the study of those features of the earth which are involved in relation to the earth and man, that is the study of man's physical environment, where it encompasses the physical features like mountains, plains, plateaus, soil, natural vegetation and a variety of landforms. But in this course, emphasis is given to lithosphere, that is structure of the earth, rocks and aspects of their weathering and resultant landforms, and the concept of cycle of erosion. Emphasis is also given to understand the work of river, glacier, wind, underground water and sea waves along with their resultant landforms. Forces operating from the below the earth surface, that is the earthquake and volcanoes, and forces operating on the earth surface, that is weathering, are forming important aspects of physical geography. Under physical geography, the study of materials of the earth, rocks and mineral and their distribution, structure of the earth, plate tectonics forms the basis. Apart from earthquakes and volcanoes, more space is devoted in the study and distributional aspect of landforms created by work of rivers, glaciers, wind, underground water, waves, mountains, geysers and hot springs. By understanding the geomorphic process involved, the students will observe and appreciate their surroundings with new perspectives at the end of the course. Learning objectives. After the completion of the course, the student should be able to develop a familiarity with different types of landforms and examine the process of landform development, and to develop interrelationship between erosional and depositional landforms, and to describe the exogenous and endogenous process in the landscape, their importance in landform development and distinguish the mechanisms that control these processes. The student should also be able to analyze how variations in climate, tectonics and environment that affect the development of landforms, and to assess how different scales of time and space affect geomorphic processes. The student should also be able to read landscapes to understand how they have formed and how they have changed over time. The student should also be able to describe the relationship between tectonics and surface processes and describe the earth surface processes associated with hill slopes, rivers, coast and glaciers. And finally, the students should be able to understand the erosion, transportation and deposition process. The prerequisite for the admission of this course. Those who are studying in UG courses, the total number of modules allotted for this course is 24, and we will also provide weekly lesson plans as well. That is, the timeline sequential release of modules, assignments, deadline for submitting the assignments and interaction schedules. The students can learn these courses in 4 quadrants. The first quadrant, the engagement time for students is to look for the videos, which may be of 25 to 30 minutes per module, and the second quadrant engagement time consists of text materials, objectives, summary, glossary and frequently asked questions. The time allocated for this quadrant could be 45 to 60 minutes per module. The third quadrant focuses on references and web links. The fourth quadrant engagement time consists of assignment, which includes quiz, which is a self-graded task, assignments and quiz consisting of 10 to 15 multiple choice questions, and 1 minute will be allocated for each question. The second task for the assessment is assignments. The students have to write 2 assignments, and one assignment is for short answer consisting of 3 questions with 200 words each, and the other one is for long answers consisting of 2 questions with 500 words each, 5 minutes for short questions and 10 minutes for long questions. The time allocated for this task is 45 to 50 minutes per module. The fourth quadrant will also consist of the time for discussion and interaction. The interaction can be through open forums or video tutorials. The engagement time is for 1 or 2 hours. At the end of the course, the term assessment will be conducted. This is also called as proctored exam, for which we will provide a question paper. Assessment criteria. It is a 4 credit course, 100 marks and 40 marks for online assessment and 60 marks for proctored exam. 10 marks online assessment include marks for viewing the video, reading the materials, taking the assignments, taking the quiz and other related tasks. 15 marks will be allocated for each credit at the end of the proctored exam. Well students, this is all about the outline of the course. So, get ready and all the best. Thank you.